Are you looking for the best transparent power banks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best transparent power banks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sharge ICEMAG 3 MagSafe 25W Portable Charger. The Sharge MagSafe power bank offers fast and easy charging with its next-gen Qi 225W wireless technology, letting you simply snap your iPhone 14 to 17 series and power up without any cables. Its 35W USB-C port ensures you can quickly charge other devices like MacBooks and Android phones, making it a versatile choice for all your gadgets. The built-in stand is perfect for hands-free use, so you can watch videos or make FaceTime calls comfortably while charging. Plus, its transparent design with subtle RGB lighting adds a stylish touch, letting you charge your devices while showing off a cool glow. What we like: fast 25W MagSafe charging, 35W USB-C super fast charging, built-in stand for convenience, stylish transparent RGB design. Number 2. Sharge ICEMAG 2 MagSafe 15W Power Bank. The Sharge ICEMAG 2 power bank offers fast magnetic wireless charging designed specifically for the latest iPhone models, allowing you to charge your phone quickly without cables. It also supports up to 30W wired charging, so you can power devices like your MacBook Air efficiently and recharge the power bank itself in no time. With a strong magnetic grip, the power bank stays firmly attached to your phone, even during movement, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. Plus, its built-in foldable stand lets you watch videos or take calls hands-free while your device charges, making it perfect for travel or work. What we like: 15W fast magnetic charging, 30W two-way wired charging, strong magnetic attachment, built-in foldable stand. Number 3. SHARGEEK 140 Power Bank. The SHARGEEK Power Bank is a powerful 140W charger that can quickly charge your devices. With its 100W USB-C and 40W USB-A ports, you can charge a MacBook Pro from 0 to 50% in just 40 minutes. It features a large 20,000 mAh capacity, allowing you to recharge your iPhone 15 up to 4 times or your iPad twice, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. The high-quality battery design enhances safety and longevity while minimizing heat. Plus, the LCD smart display gives you a quick overview of your power status and charging performance. What we like: fast charging capability, high-capacity battery, safety features, smart display. Number 4. SHARGEEK 170 Power Bank 140W PD 3.1 24,000 mAh. The SHARGEEK 170 power bank lets you charge up to 3 devices at once, thanks to its 2 powerful 140W USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. This means you can keep your laptop, phone, and other gadgets powered without waiting. It also recharges quickly itself, taking just 45 minutes to fully charge, so you spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. The smart display shows you exactly how much power is left, charging speed, and time remaining, making it easy to keep track of your battery. Plus, its IP66 rating means it's protected against dust and water splashes, so it can handle rough conditions without worry. What we like: high power output, fast recharging, smart power display, water and dust resistant. Number 5. JYTIGV 10,000 mAh Portable Charger. The JYTIGV power bank is a compact and lightweight 10,000 mAh charger that fits easily in your pocket or bag. Its transparent design not only showcases its internal components but also adds a stylish touch. With an LED digital screen, you can effortlessly monitor the remaining battery life, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Plus, the 22.5W fast charging capability allows you to charge 2 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for busy days when you need to power up quickly. This device is compatible with various smartphones, including iPhones and Samsung models, providing convenience and efficiency. What we like: compact and lightweight, Transparent aesthetic design. LED power display. Fast dual charging.